I'm really bloated today.
Macaquinho, R$ 2 presente misterioso. Presente misterioso. Toma. Filha da puta.
I think I failed.
This is zonked out.
What did you bring me for?